Ako ang love language ko is penge pera. Ay,
Hindi.
iba pala, iba pala. Ako quality time and physical touch.
Feels good to be home at home radio.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Home Studio. I'm Chrislane and I'm really excited about what's happening today because we've got something special for you, especially to those Juanistas. We have a guest na hindi lang sila simpleng Juan dahil may pangarap din sila. Let us all welcome the Juans.
What's up, everyone?
What's up, everyone?
What's up, everyone?
Hello.
Kamusta naman kayo?
Mabuti po.
Buti.
We're very happy to be here. This is our first time.
Yeah,
Yes,
first time
home
sa
radio.
home radio.
Home radio. And we
Yeah.
feel at home. Ikaw, kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman ako. Can you tell us about kung paano nagsimula yung The Juans?
We are friends in Bulacan. We are all part of our worship team. So initially, we all met because we volunteered to play and sing for our local church in Bulacan. And then when we had an opportunity to do it professionally, we just really went for it. And everything, the rest is history. We decided na ang pangalan namin ay The Juans because we wanted to use a name na relatable para sa lahat. At kaya siya Juan dahil kami ay mga simpleng bata lang galing sa probinsya na may pangarap. And ang hope namin, one day, kung maging successful kami, maging inspiration kami sa mga simpleng Juan na kagaya namin na kung kami na-achieve namin yung mga pangarap namin, ay kaya din nila. So that's the Juan's history in a nutshell.
And ano yung role nung bawat isa sa inyo sa band?
Ako po yung role model. Joke lang.
Ako po yung acoustic guitarist, rhythm guitar, and backup vocals.
Ako naman po yung bassist and vocals.
Ako naman po vocals and guitars, and we all write yung songs namin and producing and arrangement also. So,
Yes.
yun po yung ginagawa namin sa group. Talagang sharing of ideas.
And ako naman po, keyboards and vocals.
Main vocal.
Main vocalist. Ayun.
And recently, may dalawa kayong song na na-release, which is yung Pasensyoso and yung Best Friend. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng Pasensyoso?
Song that talks about yung facet ng love, which we believe na integral sa bawat relationship. So, pag sinabi kasing mahal mo isang tao, dapat pasensyoso ka din. Yun siya. In a nutshell, yun po siya.
Love is patient.
Love is patient and love endures. Yun. Love perseveres. Yan, ganyan.
And may naka-experience ba sa inyo na maging patient when it comes to love?
I think, ano siya,
Palagi.
Essential naman
Oo.
siya. Palagi.
ano siya lagi mo siyang ipuput into practice.
That's right.
And lagi siyang matitest.
Oo.
Kasi, lahat naman tayo, even couples or, ano ba? Kahit,
Friends,
friends,
family.
family, or even to yourself, di ba?
Yeah.
May mga times na kailangan maging pasensyoso ka din sa sarili mo, sa growth mo, sa yun,
Journey mo.
Sa journey mo.
It goes hand in hand yung patience. Like, say for example, kung nasang season ka man, laging may patience eh. And so, I think it's a great song to listen to, especially if parang kailangan mo ma-remind of patience.
And dun sa song nyo na Pasensyoso, ano yung lyrics na tumatak sa inyo?
Di kailangang magmadali. Pasensyoso.
Yan.
Yan. Kayo?
Yung ano.
Sabi mo oo.
Sabi mo oo, yung pala hindi.
Yung pala
Oo.
hindi.
Kasi 'di ba minsan yung kunyari lalo na pag romantic, yung sasabihin niya, "Okay ka lang ba?" Tapos sabihin niya, "Oo." Pero hindi pala siya okay.
Make face.
Oo. Oo, okay lang ako. Pero parang you have to read into what
Oo.
that actually means.
Ako kayang maghintay pag seryoso.
Yun.
Galing talaga ni Kyle magsulat.
And with the song Best Friend naman, ano yung meaning ng song na Best Friend?
Yung basically yung best friend is para sa mga taong may gusto sila sa best friend nila pero yung best friend nila may ibang gusto. Pero it's a happy vibe song pa din kahit yung meaning niya is medyo sad. So, yun. Very straightforward lang naman.
So, isa ba sa inyo nakararas na ma-in love talaga sa best friend nila?
Ako siguro, nung elementary ako, parang yung mga crush ko, laging may crush na iba. Parang ganun. Mm.
Ako, opposite naman. Wow, pogi.
Wow,
Na
ikaw
yung
ang
mga-
crush.
Yung mga friend ko na babae, parang na eventually nagko-confess sa akin na
Yun.
Grabe talaga
Ang
yung
pansikat
Carl.
naman.
Grabe naman.
Pero
Grabe talaga yung Carl.
wala, yun talaga yung kwento eh. Hindi
Solid,
natin
solid.
mababago yun eh.
Umamin sila, how do you respond with them naman?
Yun, unfortunately. Kapag kasi hindi ko siya pinipilit. So, nagiging honest lang ako na hindi ko kaya reciprocate yung romantic
Ah.
level. I can be a friend, but I cannot be more than that.
Pero same pa rin ba yung friendship nyo after?
After mag-confess.
After nung confession?
To be honest, syempre, medyo may awkward face yun. Because, yun nga, kung yung girl ay napunta na sa level na na-in love na siya sa akin, kung i-reject mo yun, there's a level of grieving dapat din eh, na she has to move on, she has to be okay without me. So, things definitely shifted after confession. Because she has to sort of move on muna before we can be friends again. But in all the cases, parang hindi na kami naging friends after.
Sad reality.
Shout out. Hindi, joke lang.
Shout out.
Hindi, joke lang.
Ikaw po ba na-experience nyo na yun?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Hindi
Or
pa.
may umamin sa inyo na friend nyo na?
Meron naman.
Meron.
Ano nangyari?
Ano
Oo.
nangyari?
Binigyan mo ba siya ng chance o ano?
Or hindi mo siya gusto talaga?
Hindi kasi, umamin siya sa akin, 8 years na nakalipas yung pagkaroon niya ng-
Wala na. Expired na yun.
Oo, na-expired
Dilata nga
na.
na expired eh.
So, hindi, sinabi mo lang na, ay, ano na, past June na po, ganun.
Ay, hindi naman po.
Hindi naman. Pero friends pa rin kayo
That's
ngayon.
pading. That's good.
Okay,
Ah,
okay.
okay.
Okay
Ano
pa
yung take
din.
nyo naman dun sa mga best friend na ayaw umamin kasi alam nilang masisira yung friendship?
Ako, respeto. I respect that and I understand that. Kasi may risk naman talaga involved when
Oo.
you decide to confess or to take the relationship to the next level. There's always a risk of damaging or even losing that relationship. And minsan, dahil sobrang importante sa'yo nung tao, you're okay to settle with being just a best friend just so that you can keep that person ng long term. And I respect that. Kasi that could also be an expression of a deeper level of love. Na I don't need a romantic label to be fulfilled. I just need you to be next to me. I just need you to be present in my life, and that's enough.
So, because of your song na Pasensyoso and Best Friend na tungkol sa love, ano yung love language nyo?
Love languages.
Sa
Ako,
akin,
sige, go
Quality
Kyle.
time, tsaka acts of service.
Nice. Yeah.
Ikaw,
Sa
Jay.
akin din, quality time siguro. Quality time, yeah.
Same din sa akin. Acts of service and quality time.
Ako, ang love language ko is penge pera. Ay, iba pala. Ako quality time and physical touch. Yun, physical akong tao eh. Nami-physical ako talaga.
Physical attack.
Quality na.
Physical attack.
Oo.
Can you describe your ideal girl naman?
Sa akin
Yun.
po,
Tumahimik.
una, maganda yung smile. And then second, love niya yung family niya. And then third, may personal relationship kay Lord. Yeah.
Yun.
Wow, grabe. Nakakaano.
Ako, someone who's driven, someone who's passionate, sa ginagawa niya. And yun, same kay RJ, mahal niya yung pamilya niya. And yun, tingin ko yan. Yan.
Sa akin naman, someone na very supportive. Yung girl na hindi ako ilalayo sa mga things na gusto ko gawin in life, sa mga passion ko, and sa dreams ko, sa pangarap ko. Talagang nakasupport lang siya always.
Yeah.
For me,
Galing.
top.
Yeah.
Ako someone who's caring, because I want to have a partner who will take care of me naman. Because in our job we always tend to people, we always give ourselves to a lot of people. So when you come home, that's what I yearn for. O na
Yeah.
pagluluto ako, tapos aalagaan naman ako, ganun.
Nag-iba ba yung genre ng song nyo dun sa Pasensyoso and Best Friend dun sa iba nyo pang mga...
Kami kasi sa The Ones po, parang yung previous season namin, talagang hindi kami natakot mag-explore ng sound. So, medyo iba-iba talaga siya. Pero, may core sound pa rin namin. Yung sa Pasensyoso and Best Friend. Yeah. Kumbaga, siguro masasabi ko na mas evolved or mas updated or paano ba? Recent. Yan. And mas nag-explore lang talaga kami.
And aside from your two songs, may mga ginagawa pa ba kayo na mga panibagong kanta na i-release soon?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, actually we are gearing up for an album release very very soon. And we have another single coming up. So kung yung Best Friend is medyo happy vibe, ito naman is The One Score. We have a hugot song coming up. I don't want to spoil too much, but pero it's about situationships naman. So kung ito ay isang kwento mula sa pagiging mag-best friend, gusto mo na ngayong malaman ano ba talaga tayo, parang gano'n. So we have that in the pipe, ready to be released. And there's an album that we are all gearing towards. So a lot of the songs will make sense once the album is out.
And with that, may mga upcoming projects, gigs, or any events pa ba kayo na pwedeng i-promote dito?
Upcoming ganaps. So yun nga, we are excited to share that we have another single coming up next month. I believe next month yung release. So abangan niyo po yan. If you guys are if this is your first time hearing us or watching us, we'd like to invite you to listen to our songs on all social media platforms. You can also check our social media accounts for all the updates and ganaps. And today, as you watch, we're gonna be in Bataan, Softnet Inc. And we're also gonna be in Batangas tomorrow. And on April 3, tama ba? We're gonna be in UP Fair Quests.
UP Fair.
So yun, sa mga taga Quezon City, or if you're a UP Fair enthusiast, you can catch us there. April 3, UP Fair Quests. And for all the detailed ganaps namin, our whereabouts, just check out our social media pages. We always announce it there.
And yung last question is, after so many live performance, what song do you find resonates the most with your fans, and which of your songs bring the most joy to the crowd?
I think yung song na pinaka nag-resonate sa crowd, I think hindi tayo pwede. Kasi when we sing that song, talagang yung mga tao, kabisado nila yung song, talagang umiiyak sila. And also, hatid din. So, hindi tayo pwede tsaka hatid. Talagang doon yung time na nagle-let go na sila, doon yung time na iniisip nila yung mga bibitawan nila, yung mga let go nila, mga ex nila, ganun. And I think yung pinaka joyful na moment is yung Ate na Mundo. Na kahit hindi kayo pwede, kahit may hinatid ka, at the end of our set, lagi namin na-encourage yung mga tao na darating din yung tao para sa kanila. Yung the one para sa kanila. And Ate na Mundo, we can conquer everything. So, yan.
Yes. Nice yan.
And now that we have listened about the journey and their new songs, stay tuned for more at Home Studio.
Good to be home at home radio.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ang tagal na rin natin na magkakilala. Simula nung bata pa tayo ang magkasama. Naiis kapag inasa tayong dalawa. Habang ako'y kinikilig pag ikaw na ay nakatawa. Kasalanan ko ma-in love ka sa best friend mo. Bakit pagdating sa'kin ay ayaw? Nandito lang naman ako. Nandito lang naman ako. Nandito lang naman ako. Bakit pa kailangan lumayo? Kung saan ka pa tumitingin. Pag may crush ka, hindi ka naman pinapansin. Nandito lang naman ako. Nandito lang naman ako. Ano pa bang kinakatakot mo? Ilang taon na akong nandito lang para sa'yo. Ang isa tugulan ang mga paborito mo. Kilala